Everybody and move, clap your hands or something. Might as well be bumping. We be giving you something extraordinary for your eardrums. So prepare us, I give you something. I'm repping Jesus to a die. I keep it crackulating, ain't no procrastinating. I have that crowd moving, waving hands and waiting. We bout it like Master P with no limits. When it comes to J to the East, I put my foot in it. Be in the cut, marinating in the spirit. My main objective is to make somebody feel it. Kick all the garbage to the curb, can you feel me? I'm on a mission from above, on the release. So get up, all my people in the east. Get up, all my people in the west. Get up, and if you're down in the dirty, get up. Don't get up if you're me. Get up, we came to make you all. Get up, come on, let's have a ball. Get up, come on, let's lift him up. Get up, everybody get up. Get up, we came to make you all. Get up, come on, let's have a ball. Get up, come on, let's lift him up. Get up, everybody get up.
Just get out your seat and dance. And maybe your only chance. If God has been good to you, get on the floor and buzz alone. Come up and praise His name, because He remains the same. You know He will never change. That is why I'm listening.
I make you say, who that, like you knew that. Infiltrate your city like that star on New Jack named Wesley. So don't you even try to test me. It's the king of the hip-hop swing, dropping hits like Elvis Presley. You know who the best be. It's G.O.D. Don't go left and get your jaw swole up like Dizzy Gillespie. Now it's the time we put up or shut up. Cause with all that nonsense,